Hey y'all, what's going on? Grand afternoon, grand evening, I should say. Grand evening. How's everybody doing this evening? I hope everybody is doing well. Okay. Yes, I'm coming on a little bit later. I've been really busy today here, but I was not going to go any further without giving y'all a general collective message. Okay. So, ancestors, I call upon you to come forward and align and clear my chakras for this message. Anything that's not aligned, make it fall. For we're here to heal, grow, know, reach, teach, preach. Become our high selves in this energy, Ashe. Thanking you, Ascended Masters, Archangels, and more importantly, the divine source of the Gaia, for your divine love, light, guidance, protection, and honey, undying love here. Please protect me as I channel these messages. Ashe. Let's see what's going on, y'all. Let's see what's going on. I hope everybody's had a really productive and prosperous day. On the bottom, we got Sweetheart. Disturbance. Somebody trying to disturbance. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Merit making and inducement. Okay, so somebody's trying to advise or coach a sweetheart. We've got sweetheart here, pure, unconditional, beloved. Disturbance. Coach. Someone's trying to coach the sweetheart through disturbances. Okay, ancestors on the bottom. We're talking about merit making. Yeah, give it. Confirmation. Okay, give me something here about the sweetheart. What do we need to know, ancestors? Tell me a little bit more. 21. Someone is trying to disturb the perspective of the sweetheart here. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, this disturbance here is delaying. This disturbance is delays. Someone's trying to send you delays here towards your perspective. They don't want you to see, okay? They don't want you to see about them. Okay, so they're trying to create disturbances for you not to be, for you to view them in the light they want you to be viewed in. Daydreaming, yep. Optimism, illusion, and delirious, honey. They trying to send you illusions here. 61 is still a 7 here. Chariot energy here. Okay. 6 is still given. 6 of Cups is still past life energy here. Okay. Yeah. Someone's trying to keep you from moving away here, from having your new beginning here. With the one is damn near new beginnings. Okay. But they're manipulating your new beginning. Okay. I take all the ones into consideration. 1. Okay. So, someone has been really disturbing your peace, okay? Or trying to disturb your peace in your new beginning here, okay? By giving you illusions. Give me a little bit more here about the sweetheart and the illusions that they're trying to give him here. Okay, live and learn. Somebody ain't even live and learn here. Somebody wants you to learn a lesson here. We got live and learn that's on the fence here. Experience, training, development. Wow. On the bottom, we're talking about maintenance. What? They're trying to adjust something. They're trying to adjust your development here. Okay? Why is it on the fence, Spirit? Why is it on the fence? Why is it on the fence, Spirit? Ooh. Self-love. Yeah. They're trying to pull on your love. They're trying to pull on your energy here. Okay? And they're trying to pull on your transformation. Your transformation is your structure, is your development here. Okay? Give me something here for the disturbance here, Spirit. Give me something here for the disturbances here, okay? Irritation, okay? Yeah, she's trying to irritate you here, to curse you, okay? Yeah, curses in the reverse. She can't curse you here. She can't cause you no misfortune, okay? No catastrophe, okay? And she can't get you to hate nothing, all right? On the bottom, we're talking about memory. Yeah, she's trying to throw memories at you here to overload you here. So she's trying to overload you here with memories, okay? To make you hate, to make you have a catastrophe, okay, or misfortune here. Give me a little bit more here about this disturbances that she is doing or he is doing here to the collective here. Supernatural experiences here to have you cause misfortune. This gift is on the fence here. Spirit is talking about some type of promotion of delight. Well, the gift was a curse, okay, a curse of misfortune here. Some type of energetic gift of supernatural disturbances or supernatural experience to disturb the sweetheart. Give me something here for the coach. What's his advice advice. Protesting, okay? Trying to get your attention. So they're only protesting, they're in the background trying to make as much noise as they can, and you still ain't paying them no mind, just to rob you, okay? Protesting. Are they protesting a battle robbery? Are they protesting a battle robbery here, or are they only getting your attention so that they can rob the collective? Which one is it, Spirit? Here, good news, okay? Yeah, they're trying to protest here about some good news. Okay, so continue on about this good news that they said that they're protesting. Okay, Spirit is saying, no, ain't no use here. It's bad luck. Okay, so it's almost like, you know, an entrapment trying to lure you in here to set you up. Okay, switch bait. Okay, thank you, ancestors. That was too quick here. They always trying here. All right, give me some messages here, ancestors. What is the messages for the divine collective here now that we've got? We got that out the way. Okay. What's going on with the divine collective? What does the divine collective need to know? What is the message for the divine collective, what did I say? What is this message for the divine collective? Okay. Six of Swords, Five of Swords, Ace of Swords, Devil. Whew, it's a lot of mental. Okay. Toxic energies here. Moving away to destroy the truth. That's basically what Spirit is saying here. Toxic energies here. Through deception energy. Okay. Ancestors, give me something here about the Six of Swords, please. Give me something here about the Six of Swords. Thank you, ancestors. Thank you. 10 of Swords. 16. Okay, so they moved to try to change something. Okay. It was more than one. It's more than one person here. Okay. They're trying to finish something. Okay. They're trying to finish the sacrifice here so that they can celebrate a wish fulfillment. Okay. There's been some conflict around what somebody's been working on. Okay. Somebody's been working on something. There's been a lot of conflict around that here. And they've been about changing. King of Cups. This is about you, King of Cups. Okay, give me something here for the Five of Swords, ancestors. Five of Swords. What I need to know about this Five of Swords. Nine of Pentacles. Success energy. I thought they was going to be successful in destroying the truth. Three of Cups. Celebrations. Group of allies, okay, thought that they succeeded through illusions, okay. They thought that they were all getting out of this imprisonment here. They're all in prison here, every last one of them. 3 of Pentacles and 8 of Swords here. Yeah, 9, 10, 11 here. That's the alignment that they're in here, okay. They be celebrating too early for me. They go and do something, they think that it's automatically going to work. Okay, that's what I be saying. That's exactly what I be saying. Yep. Now look, they're trying to delay the truth to come through. You can't delay what's already been said. It's out there. It's already out there in the esoterical world, baby. Okay? 6 of Cups. Six of Cups trying to delay the truth here. King of Swords. King of Swords, somebody from the past here. King of Pentacles. Yeah. Recognize that the cycle is already closed out on y'all two already, says Spirit. Okay, that's what you need to recognize. Recognize that the cycle is already closed out on you two. Okay, that's from the past. While y'all still trying to delay the truth, says Spirit. What is the message for the divine energies of light? Going forward here, ancestors. Going forward, what's the message for the energies of light? Spirit says, learn about these obstacles here that is coming from the King of Swords. Okay, sin and illusions. Okay, so there's something that they want us to know, because the Page of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles is still the Three of Pentacles, which is collaboration here. So learn that this Page of Pentacles is a collaboration. Okay, it's a collaboration of obstacles. Thank you, Spirit. It's a collaboration of obstacles. Give me the collaboration of obstacles here, the Page of Pentacles and the Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Queen of Swords on the bottom, 6 of Pentacles here. Progress forward. Somebody's buying their time. Okay, someone is trying to stretch things out. Okay, and buy their time here. Queen of Swords is progressing forward, moving towards emotional fulfillment, and there's someone or a group of energy that is trying to collaborate together to send these obstacles all together, all at one time, towards the Queen of Swords energy. What does this Queen of Swords energy need to know? What does the Queen of Swords energy need to know? What she needs to know is that this collaboration, this 3 of Pentacles here, okay, has been leaping. Okay, they've been taking turns. Okay, Spirit said they've been taking turns, 3 Pentacles and 1 Fool. Okay, so they've all been taking turns. Spirit saying here, Emperor. They've all been taking turns to leap towards the Emperor energy here. Wow. King of Swords. So the King of Swords, yeah, started off first. Okay, give me more here. Okay, Queen of Swords. What else does the Queen of Swords need to know about this collaboration? Who was taking turns at making advances, okay, at the Emperor, okay, to receive messages, okay, to give messages. It's Page of Wands here, okay. Carry a new message, courier, okay, carry a new message, evolution. Fell if you're on the 7 of Cups here, okay. So, yep, they took that action to send that message, okay, to carry that message, okay. What else, Spirit? For the pause, oh wow, okay. For the Knight of Wands here. So they sent the message for the positive energy to leave, to solve the problem. So they wanted the positive energy and be replaced with loss or regret. Okay. What you want to look into, Spirit? Introspection. Okay, on this manifestation. Looking in on this exchange. Working hard, okay? 8 of Pentacles. What they working hard on, Spirit, here, because they're trying to recognize what? Someone's trying to recognize the hard work that has been taken. What's being taken, Spirit? What's been taken? Whatever they're trying to take, they can't. It's blocked. Okay? So whatever they're trying to take, they can't. They're working hard at trying to recognize what's being, wow. They're trying to recognize something so they can take it here. Okay? And then they had the 7 of Wands and then block it here. But this situation has passed, says the ancestor, with the 8 of Swords in the reverse here. They could not take something. They could not imprison you. Okay, but they are recognizing that your hard work is producing fruit. You're getting returns on your investment. The 10 of Wands is talking about, yeah, and it's heavily burdened the King of Swords, because no matter what you're doing, you and your 2 little crew making these advances or attempting to make these advances to carry a message of bad luck, misfortune, still is not getting answered. Somebody blocked y'all out y'all's energy. Don't nobody care about what y'all got to say. Ain't nobody gonna open the door, the window for you. Okay, ain't nobody gonna leave a light on for you neither. Okay, but you still keeping on tempting. Okay, working around the clock trying to imprison somebody with these gifts. Somebody then woke up to your ass, honey, and I don't see why you ain't got it yet. Okay, anything else, ancestors? Reality. Okay, yeah, look at that. And it flew all the way up here on the 4 of Wands here. And the 10 of Swords. They're working around the clock to change your reality. Give me something on this Knight of Pentacles here. Give me some of this Knight of Pentacles. Yeah, King of Swords, honey. Keep on trying here. Because King of Swords, honey, even with the 3 of Swords, it fell on the King of Swords, there's still the 4 of Swords here. Okay? He's saying he won't rest until he gets out of these Three of Swords, and that's what I just heard. He's not going to rest. He's holding on to this Three of Swords. He's not going to rest until he gets out of this Three of Swords here. He's going to continue to give, man, you can keep doing what you want to do. What did I just say? You can do what you keep on wanting to do, ancestors. So what is the message? What's this message, ancestors? And wrap this up and close this out. Yep. Sometimes the wisest company is silence, okay? And this is why no one in that group is getting any type of feedback, answer back. You're still blocked. Okay? Your energy's blocked. Empty space, openness. Okay, someone says, honey, okay. Openness. Open to what? Yeah, someone is moving in silence when it comes to what they're doing, when it comes to their form of healing, which is the body is a river, let the current cleanse it. Yep, somebody is healing and they're becoming, and they're open to all possibilities regarding becoming, and they're being quiet about it. Balance. Thank you, ancestors. Anything else here? All right. Somebody said, honey, I don't need your assistance. I don't need no type of form of communication from you regarding what I'm doing. Listen to your soul came out on the fence and then it wanted to turn around. Okay, turn around. Somebody does not want you to listen to your soul. Somebody does not want you to listen to your inner voice here. Someone, give me something here for this soul. Give me something for the wise one who is working alone regarding his healing. Okay, that does not want no company. Yesterday's lessons. Okay, someone doesn't understand how you listen to your soul. Someone that says understanding, integration, and growth. The past is not punishment. It's preparation. So the past, I'm gonna say punish you, prepared you. Excuse me. Okay, and now something is being integrated. Okay, give me a little bit more about listen to your soul and this integration that is happening here. I seen that. Yep, your soul is illuminating something. Okay, about yesterday's lesson. So somebody's soul is illuminating something here, okay, regarding yesterday's lesson. Okay. Wow. And somebody, the path has stones, but your steps are nimble. Well, Spirit is saying this path does not have stones. What has been illuminated to you already, Spirit, right now, Spirit is saying go, go, go. Okay? Don't let nobody stop you. This is why Spirit says the wisest company is silence. Go alone. This person is open to possibilities regarding becoming, and he is canceling any and all things out. No credence. You ain't nothing but a daggone bot anyway. Okay? Anything else? Wow. Definitely yes. That's what Spirit said. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Now is the time to go. Blessed bounty. You're on your way. They're trying to stop you at every turn. Spirit is saying, keep going. Keep going. Hold steady, y'all. Hold steady. And trust. Y'all, I'm going to leave that right there here. Look on the other side, spirituality. Trust spirituality. Y'all, that was a beautiful message. I'm going to be right back with another one, y'all. Until next time, peace in.